guys, today we're doing a slime review, and this one I call Space, because like it looks like space. And Matthew?
This is a wiggly slime, like this.
Woo! And show him this one.
This unicorn poop.
Yeah.
This is foundation slime.
Yep.
Super stretchy.
So this one is, I don't have a name for it, but it's super stretchy. And
This is water slime.
yeah, it's not too good.
It's
so
bad.
yeah.
And
This is my party slime,
this is my confetti slime.
which we made in our last video.
Bye.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. Give it a big thumbs up. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. See you later, alligator.
Bye.